Hello, this is CR Machine Tool. I'm going to be giving you a whole spectrum of this whole new store. When you walk in, you'll be greeted by this sign. It says no mask, no entry. And for the sanitizing, you walk over here, you go here, you press this red button over here, and you sanitize because of this virus. Walk in, you'll be greeted by this green machine, this blue machine. Walk over here, you see there are many machines, all for sale. When you walk straight, you'll be greeted by this office. Very nice office. You'll be greeted by Praveen Prasad. He'll be sitting right here, and you'll be sitting right here, talking about the machine that you want to purchase. When you sit down, you'll see that this is very nice office space. See, so many good office. Yeah, so go over here and get up. You'll see that there are many nice machines. Here, and here is the parts store, right here. Parts, mechanical parts over here. And many machines. Very nice machine right here. Very good machine. And walk over here, you'll see a toolkit. Very nice. More machines, more machines, more machines. So yeah, that's basically CNC tools. Yep. So goodbye.